you know, judging by that little thing. That's a KastKing logo. And this is a fishing rod. Check this out. Let's pull this thing out of here. This, I think that's all that's down in there. Very nicely packaged in that like container there. Worked just perfect. Got shipped and had no damage at all. I took it out and looked at it. This is a KastKing KONG rod. And just going over the specs here, this is the 7.6 fast action, medium heavy power. It's line weight. You want to go 15 to 40 pounds of line weight. And the lure weight can be up to 2 to 8 pounds. The guides, it has 7 guides and pieces. It is a 2-piece. And this is extra strong, durable IM6 S-Curve technology. That's what all this is. And they're high strength steel seats. Looking at the way they did the eyelets, those eyelets look really good right there. And you could see, as far as that's the tip that they're talking about, as far as like having a medium heavy like tip on it. That has a very nice action to it. Let me go ahead and mount a reel on there, because I do have a spinning reel over here. And this is going to be my catfish rod, because this is made for like catfishing and any type of saltwater, freshwater type fishing. So let me go ahead and mount my reel on here and let's see what it looks like. Then we'll get this thing out and see how it works. This is a Berkley, I think this is a Berkley Drive 3.0. And let's just mount this down in here like this, unscrew this. And this is made for a spinning reel, but they make them for casting reels also. This is just a reel that I had on another rod, and I needed a bigger rod if I was going to do some catfishing. Then let's go ahead and string this up. And this is 20-pound test braid, so this braid will work just perfect for this rod, for what I'm using it for anyway. This does not feel like a cheap rod. This actually has a good quality feel to it, because I've used a lot of different fishing rods. Look at the size of that handrail there. Very nice. They have like a grippy texture on it. It's like hard plastic there. Very nice feel to it. So yeah, let me go ahead and set this thing up and let's do some fishing and see what it's like. So let's do that now. All right, y'all, here I am. I'm out here on the little lake that's kind of close to my house. I'm gonna show y'all using this KastKing KONG. It's kind of like a carp / catfish rod. It's a medium heavy, but look at the size of this thing. This area right here is getting a little shallow. I need to get way over there under the bridge. I'll probably go over to there and fish over there some, but you could see how nice this rod is and how nicely set up it is. And look at the size of that handle. So let me go ahead and do some casting out here. I do have a casting weight on there, and I put me some bread on there. You know what, you'd catch me with some bread, and I have a 3/0, no, I think that's a 5/0 hook. So let's go ahead and let's see how this thing casts out through there. So let's do that now. That was pretty easy. So this would be something that would slide down inside of a holder. Pretty easy for anybody. And you know, I want to fish out of a kayak with this thing. It has that tip right there that's got some flexibility to it, but in theory, it shouldn't break under like a huge load of a fish. I've been out here casting. I fished around a little bit. I'm going to be using this off and on in my travels where I'm hunting, where I'm fishing more for like bigger fish. I usually do bass fishing, but I've always wanted a catfish / carp rod just to kind of change things up. And you can put 2 handles on it like that. Look, 2 hands on that thing like that. Let's go ahead and let's do another big cast out there. Ooh, look at that. That's way out there. Now, you know what? When you're fishing for this, you just wait. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the KastKing KONG fishing rod. See you guys in the next video. Woo!